everyone, welcome to Oxbridge Learning the Fun Way with Palak Gupta. Today I'm going to ask you some simple questions at the start of this video. So get ready.
चलो भाई.
आज को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Today. बीते हुए कल को क्या बोलेंगे? Yesterday. लेकिन आने वाले कल को क्या बोलते हैं? Tomorrow. Correct. लेकिन बीते हुए परसों या आने वाले परसों को क्या बोलते हैं? I know you.
अच्छा.
You will say the day before yesterday or the day after tomorrow. But what's that terminology? Let me tell you.
अभी बता दे भाई, अभी बता दे.
बीते हुए परसों, that means the day before yesterday is called air yesterday. For instance, it rained heavily air yesterday. It means it rained heavily the day before yesterday. Now coming to the day after tomorrow. आने वाले परसों को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Over morrow. For instance, I will submit the project over morrow. It means I will submit the project the day after tomorrow. Stay tuned for our next video. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss it.